Welcome to the 55th issue of the Horseman's Gazette, a quarterly video series that enables you to watch and learn from some of the most talented instructors working with horses and riders today. We've saved you a seat on the corral fence, so climb on up and get ready to learn some great techniques and approaches to incorporate into your horsemanship. In this issue, you'll learn the joys of working together to start a colt, how to use ground poles to develop proper movement patterns, how the lead rope can act like a round pen in your groundwork, and how to open a gate from horseback without losing your cool. Becoming a better horseman is a lifelong process, and if you're serious about becoming the best you can be, now you can enjoy having access to some of the best resources in the horsemanship world. So come along for the ride. You and your horse will be glad that you did.